Very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teacher of Modern English of School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to start the topic areas of combination of plane figures related to chapter 16 area of circle, sector and segments of class 10 from the mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. So let's start, students, some examples related to the area of combination of plane figures. Okay, so my first example is in the given figure. इस फिगर में ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter. For if ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter, all sides are equal. All sides are equal of a square, and the semicircles are drawn. Semicircles are drawn. Students, this is the semicircle are drawn. This is the semicircle. There are 4 semicircles are drawn. Okay. So this is the semicircle drawn with each side of the square. With each side of the square as diameter. So each semicircle, प्रत्येक सेमी सर्किल में जो स्क्वायर का साइड है, साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर जो है वो क्या है, डायमीटर है. ओके, फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन. ये जो शेडेड किया हुआ रीजन है, इस शेडेड रीजन को, उसका एरिया हमको क्या करना, फाइंड करना. यूज फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन. यूज पाई इक्वल टू 3.14. ओके स्टूडेंट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस क्वेश्चन solution of students, first of all find the unshaded region 1 and 3rd. Area of unshaded region 1 and 3rd. Okay, so area of unshaded region 1 and 3rd equal to area of a square ABCD minus area of semicircle AOD plus area of semicircle BOC. AOD and BOC. Okay. For students, area of a square ABCD, the side of the square is 10 centimeter, that is 10 का square, minus area of semicircle AOD. 10 is the diameter of this semicircle. Okay, so pi r square, pi r equal to 5 का square by 2. Okay, and plus area of semicircle BOC, that is the pi r square by 2. Okay, so 10 का square 100 minus pi is common, 25 by 2 plus 25 by 2. Okay, so students, 100 minus 3.14, pi, the value of pi equal to 3.14 multiply 50 by 2. Okay, point is removing 100. 52 ja 100 and 100 minus 314 by 4. Take LCM 4. 400 minus 314, that is 87 by 4. Okay, so 21.75 square centimeter. Okay, students, and similarly area of unfatted region 2 and 4, area of 2 and 4, okay, equal to 21.75 square centimeter. Okay, for students, find the area of the fatted region. Find the area of the fatted region. Okay, for area of fatted region में find the area of the fatted region equal to area of the square ABCD, area of the square ABCD, or minus area of unfatted region 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so area of fatted region, area of the fatted region equal to area of a square, that is the 10 का square, area of the square equal to that is the 10 का area of the square, that is 10 का square, side of the square is 10 centimeter, 10 का square और minus 2 multiply 21.75. okay, क्योंकि 21.75 square centimeter the area of the unfatted part 1 and 3. okay, and the 21.75 is the also area of 2 and 4. So total area of 2 multiply 21.75. okay, for 100 minus 2 multiply 21.75 by 100. okay, for students, take LCM 100, so 1 minus 4, the rest is 0, 5, 6, 5 by 100. 0 is cancelled. That is the 56.5 centimeter square. For students, area of the fatted region equal to 56.5 square centimeter. Okay, students, our next example is example number 3rd. In the given figure, ABCD is a quadrant of a circle. ABCD, ABCD is a quadrant of a circle. For students, this is the quadrant of a circle. This is the quadrant of a circle. What is the quadrant of a circle? So a circle divides 4 equal parts and each part is called quadrant of a circle. So each quadrant is the form of a factor. Each quadrant of the form of a factor. Okay. For students, ABCD is a quadrant of a circle of radius 28 centimeter. It means BC equal to 28 centimeter and AB equal to 28 centimeter, because this AB and BC is the radius of this circle of the quadrant ABCD. Okay, of 28 centimeter, and a semicircle AECA, AECA, AECA. Okay, so this is the semicircle. A semicircle AECA is drawn with AC as diameter, और ये semicircle AEC का जो diameter है वो क्या है? AC है. तो find the area of the fatted region. Fatted region का area find करना है. So area of the fatted region equal to area of triangle ABC, okay, plus area of the semicircle AECA minus area of the quadrant ABCD. Okay, so students, first of all find AC, because AC is the diameter of the semicircle AC, AECA. Okay, so find AC. Let's start solution. So in triangle ABC, में AC square equal to AB square or plus BC square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so AB equal to 28 का स्क्वायर and plus 28 का स्क्वायर. Okay, so that is 28 का स्क्वायर 184 plus 784 equal to 448 61 1568. For student AC equal to root under 1568 equal to 28 root 2 centimeter. Okay, so this is the diameter of the semicircle AECA. Okay, find the radius of the semicircle. So radius equal to half AC. So half AC, that is the half multiplied 28 root 2, that is the 14 root 2, 14 root 2. Okay, so now students, area of the shaded region, area of the shaded region equal to area of the shaded region equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of semicircle, area of semicircle AECA, AECA. Okay, and minus area of quadrant, area of quadrant ABCD, ABCD. Okay, area of quadrant ABCD, and the center angle of this quadrant is 90 degree. Okay, for students, area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 multiplied 28 multiplied 28. This is the right angle triangle. ABC is the right angle triangle. 1 by 2 into base into perpendicular altitudes. So, and plus area of the semicircle AECA. Area of the semicircle AECA, that is the pi r square by 2. So, pi r is the 14 root 2. R is the 14 root 2 of the semicircle, that is the 14 root 2 multiply 14 root 2 by 2. Okay, minus area of the quadrant ABCD is the pi r square. Area of the quadrant, this quadrant is like as the sector. So area of the sector ABCD, so that the central angle is 90 degree. So pi r square, r is the 28, r square, theta equal to 90 degree by 360. Okay, for student 2 14 ja 28 and root 2, that is the 2, each cancel. Okay, and 94 ja 360 and 4 7 ja 28. Okay, area of the shaded region equal to 14 multiplied 28, 14 multiplied 28 plus 196 pi minus 196 pi. Okay, for students 14 multiplied 28 plus 196 pi and minus 196 pi. Minus plus is cancel. 28 multiplied 14. 392 square centimeter. So the area of the shaded region equal to area of the triangle ABC plus area of the semicircle AECA minus area of quadrant ABCD. Okay, so that is the 392 square centimeter. Our next question is question number 5. In the given figure, इस figure में AB and CD are the diameter of a circle. AB and CD are the diameter of this circle, big circle, diameter of a circle with center O, with center O. Okay, perpendicular to each other. Both diameters are perpendicular to each other, which intersect at the point O. OA is the diameter of the smaller circle. OA is the diameter of the smaller circle, and OB equal to 7 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. So students, in this figure, OA is the diameter of the smaller circle, and AB and CD is the diameter of the big circle. Okay, so find the area of the shaded region. So students, radius of the smaller circle equal to 7 by 2. Radius of the smaller circle equal to 7 by 2, that is the 3.5 centimeter, and the radius of the bigger circle is 7 centimeter, that is the OB. Okay, so students, area of the shaded region, find the area of the shaded region. So area of the shaded region equal to area of a smaller circle, area of a smaller circle plus area of the larger circle, CBD minus area of triangle BCD, area of triangle BCD. Okay, so students, area of a smaller circle, pi r square, that is the pi r equal to 7 by 2 multiply 7 by 2. Okay, area of a smaller circle is pi r square, pi, and OA is the 7 centimeter. OA is the diameter of this circle, so radius is 7 by 2. So 7 by pi r square, 7 by 2 multiply 7 by 2 plus area of the larger circle CBD. So area of the larger circle, radius is the 7 centimeter. So pi r square by 2. So pi into 7 multiply 7 by 2. Okay, this is the area of the larger semicircle. Area of the larger semicircle. Sorry, area of the larger semicircle CB. So pi r square by 2 and minus area of BCD, triangle BCD. So 1 by 2 into base equal to CD, base equal to CD, and height equal to OB. Okay, so 14 multiply 7. 14 multiply 7. So students, 49 by 4 pi plus 49 pi by 2 minus 49. 49 by 4 pi plus 49 by 2 pi minus 49. So students, they do turn 49 pi each common. Pi each common, that is 49 by 4 plus 49 by 2. Okay, minus 49. So pi and I'll take LCM is 4 and 49 and plus 98 minus 49. So this imply pi equal to 22 by 7 multiply 49 plus 98. 147 by 4. Okay, or minus 49. So student, 7 2 ja 14 and 7 1 ja 21. Okay, 2 2 ja 4, 2 11 ja 22. (231 by 2 minus 49). 4 take LCM 2, 231 minus 98, that is the 3. One 133 by 2. For student 2 6 या 12, 2 6 या 12, 2 5 या 10, 20 meter. So area of the Faraday region equal to 56.5 centimeter. Our next question is in a circular table cover. In a circular table cover of radius 42 centimeter. Radius 42 centimeter. Radius of the radius 42 centimeter. Okay. A design is formed. एक डिजाइन फॉर्म किया गया है इस सर्कुलर टेबल कवर में, ठीक है ना. लिविंग एंड इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल ABC इन द मिडिल, और बीच में ABC एक इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है ABC. ओके, इज द एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल in the middle of the design of the circular cover. Middle as shown in the figure, जैसा कि इस फिगर में दिखाया गया. Find the area of the shaded design. For area of the shaded design equal to area of the circle. Area of the circle minus area of triangle ABC. Area of an equilateral triangle ABC. Is the ABC is the an equilateral triangle. Okay, so first of all find the side of any side, find the side of the triangle ABC, an equilateral triangle ABC. So students, ABC is an equilateral triangle, so each angle is 60 degree. So this angle equal to 60 degree. So students, join BO and OC and OB. Join OC and OB. So we know that the angle of the center in a circle, the angle of the center is 2 times the angle of any point of the circle. सर्किल के किसी भी पॉइंट पे जितना भी एंगल बनेगा वो एंगल सेंटर पर के एंगल्स का क्या हाफ होगा, और सेंटर पर का जो एंगल होगा इस पॉइंट के एंगल से कितना होगा 2 टाइम्स होगा. तो दैट इज BOC इक्वल टू 120 डिग्री. ओके, एंड OD is the perpendicular. Draw OD is the perpendicular to BC, and we know that कि OD perpendicular bisect the chord BC. BC is the chord of this circle. Okay, and the center पर से जब perpendicular draw करेंगे chord पे, किसी भी chord पे, तो वो chord को क्या करेगा, bisect करेगा. Okay, so BD equal to DC and bisect this angle. This equal to 60 degree and this is the 60 degree. Okay, and B for OB and OC is the radius of this circle. So radius equal to 42 centimeter. That is the OB equal to OC equal to 42 centimeter. Okay. Let us start from first. In a right triangle, BOD, BDO, BDO. Okay. So this angle equal to 60 degree. So find OD. OD is the base and BD is the perpendicular. Okay, and OB is the hypotenuse. So in triangle BDO, cos 60 degree, cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. So cos theta equal to base is OD and hypotenuse is OB. So OD by OB. Okay, so cos theta equal to OD by OB, and OD equal to OD by OB equal to 42 centimeter. Okay, and we know that कि cos 60 degree, the value of the cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to OD by 42, and that is the OD equal to 42 by 2, that is 21 centimeter. Okay, Now, by the Pythagoras theorem, find BD. Okay, OD equal to 21 centimeter. OD equal to 21 centimeter and OB equal to 42 centimeter. OB is the hypotenuse, OD is the perpendicular. Find BD. OD equal to 21 centimeter. Now find 60 degree. Find the perpendicular BD. So find 60 degree equal to, find theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is BD by OB. BD by OB. Okay. So find 60 degree, root 3 by 2. The value of the find 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2 and that is the BD. So BD find करना है BD by OB. OB equal to 42. That is the 21. So BD equal to 21 root 3 centimeter. Okay. So BD equal to 21 root 3. So BC equal to side of the equilateral triangle ABC. BC equal to 2 multiply BD. Okay, because कि OD bisect BC, BD equal to DC. So 2 multiply 21 root 3. That is the 42 root 3. So side of the equilateral triangle ABC is 42 root 3. Okay. Now students, area of the design region equal to area of circle minus area of triangle ABC. So area of circle that is the pi r square और minus root 3 by 4 side का square. Okay, so that is the, so students, area of the circle equal to pi r square, that is the 22 by 7 and r equal to, r is the radius 42 centimeter, 42 multiply 42. Okay, and minus root 3 by 4, root 3 1.73, put the value of root 3 1.73 by 4 or multiply value of the and side of the equilateral triangle is 42 root 3 multiply 42 root 3. Okay, so students, 2 2 ja 4, 221 and 221. Okay, and 7 6 ja 42. So 22 multiply 6, 132 multiply 42 and minus 173 by 100 multiply 441 multiply 3. Okay, so students, 132 multiply 42 that is the 5544 minus is 173 multiply 441 multiply 3 is a square centimeter, 3255.21 a square centimeter.